Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, the channel where improving your English feels possible, comfortable, and even fun. My name is Anna, and I am so happy you are spending your time with us today.
Hi, Anna, and hello to all our amazing listeners from around the world. It truly feels great to be here again. Every time we talk, I feel more connected to our learning family.
I feel the same way, David, and today we are talking about a very important question, a question we see every day in the comments.
Yes, people always ask, how can I improve my English? It sounds like a simple question, but the answer is not always easy.
That's true. Many learners feel confused. They study grammar, they watch videos, they memorize words, but they still feel stuck.
Exactly. They feel like they are working hard but not moving forward. That can be very frustrating.
And if you are listening right now and you feel that way, we want you to know something very important.
You are not alone.
Everyone who learns English feels this way at some point. Even fluent speakers were once beginners.
Anna, before we go deeper, let's ask our listeners for a small favor.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please give this video a like. It really helps our channel reach more learners.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key so you never miss our new lessons and conversations.
And if you know someone who wants to improve their English, share this episode with them. Learning is easier when we do it together.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Anna, let's start with the big question. How can someone really improve their English?
I think the first thing people need to understand is that improving English is not about being perfect.
That's very important.
Many learners wait until they feel ready to speak, but the truth is, you don't become ready first, you become ready by speaking.
Yes, English improves when you use it, not when you hide from it.
Exactly. Making mistakes is part of the process. If you wait for perfect grammar, you may never start.
I remember when I was learning a new language, I was afraid of sounding stupid.
Me too.
But when I finally started speaking, I realized something. Most people were kind, they were patient, and even when I made mistakes, communication still happened.
That's such a good point. Communication is the goal, not perfection. So, step one to improving English is to use it, even when it feels uncomfortable.
Yes, speak, write, think in English when you can. Even small moments matter. Anna, many learners say, I don't have time.
I hear that all the time.
They work long hours, they have families, they're tired.
And that's very real, but improving English does not mean studying for hours every day.
Exactly. Small daily habits are more powerful than long study sessions once a week.
5 or 10 minutes every day can change everything.
Listening to a short video, reading a few sentences, learning one new word.
Consistency is the key. A little every day is better than a lot sometimes.
That's how language grows, slowly and naturally.
Another very important part of improving English is listening.
Yes, listening is like food for your brain.
When you listen to English often, your brain starts to recognize patterns.
Pronunciation, sentence structure, natural expressions.
Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning.
Many learners think they must understand every word.
But that's not necessary. Understanding the general idea is enough.
Over time, the details become clearer.
Exactly. English starts to feel familiar, not scary.
Anna, what about vocabulary? People always ask how to learn more words.
I think the best way to learn vocabulary is in context, not in long lists.
I agree. Words make more sense when they are part of a sentence or a story.
Watching shows, listening to podcasts, reading simple articles, these all help.
And when you see a word many times, it stays in your memory.
Repetition is very important.
Another thing I want to mention is pronunciation.
Yes, many learners worry about their accent.
But having an accent is not a problem.
Not at all. Accents show your story. They show that you learned another language.
The goal is to be understood, not to sound like a native speaker.
Exactly. Clear communication is more important than perfect pronunciation.
Anna, sometimes people feel tired and lose motivation.
That happens to everyone.
What should they do?
First, be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a long journey.
Yes, progress is not always fast or visible.
Celebrate small wins. Did you understand one sentence today? That matters.
Did you say one sentence without fear? That matters too.
And if you feel very tired, it's okay to rest.
Rest is part of learning.
Just don't quit.
I also believe mindset is very important.
Absolutely.
If you believe I can't learn English, it becomes much harder.
But if you say, I am learning English, your mind opens.
Words we say to ourselves are powerful.
Very powerful.
Another thing that helps is enjoying the process.
Yes, learn English with things you love.
Music, movies, cooking videos, sports.
When learning is enjoyable, you want to continue.
And that's the secret. Continuing.
Improving English is not about speed.
It's about direction.
As long as you are moving forward, you are succeeding.
Even slow steps count.
Especially slow steps.
Anna, this conversation makes me feel hopeful.
Me too, and I hope our listeners feel the same.
Improving English is possible for everyone.
No matter your age, your background, or your level,
You don't need to be perfect.
you just need to keep going.
Before we finish, let's summarize our main ideas.
Use English even if it's not perfect.
Practice a little every day.
Listen often and don't worry about understanding everything.
Learn vocabulary in context.
Be patient and kind to yourself.
And enjoy the journey.
That's a great summary.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, David, and thank you to everyone listening.
Please like, subscribe, and comment below.
Tell us what helps you improve your English.
Or tell us one small success you had this week.
We love celebrating with you.
Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember,
You are improving every day.
see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.